bag of rice that I bought is sunWhite brand. So we're going to see how dirty the sunWhite rice is. So far so good. It looks so nice. Okay, just one or two. In about 1 cup of rice, this is all the impurities I found. The rice got two sides. One side may be nicer, the other side may be a bit white. So that's why sometimes once you finish with one time, you need to do it another time. So this is all. That's so little. Well, it looks better on one side, but the other side is not so good. And if you look at it closely, they're actually white. If you really crush it, it's quite powdery. This is my thinking. I do not eat this. The only type of rice that I eat is this color. This is the one I eat. This I don't eat. It's a bit white. I don't eat. So this is sunWhite jasmine. This price is twice the price I paid for cheaper rice. This is about 28. Don't buy a bigger kg because, as I said, something will hatch inside, especially rice. A lot of black insects will crawl out if you leave it like this without eating it. My suggestion is to consume within 1 month.
要关注我的视频，点击 subscribe。